Welcome back, guys. So today we're preparing fufu with groundnut soup, or people will say peanut butter soup, as some people will say. Anyway, so not to talk much, we just go straight into the video. This is me steaming the meat, and this is the part that matters. You have to put your peanut butter on fire and then roast it, or I don't know, do whatever it is I'm doing on fire till you see some sort of oil on top of it. So you just be stirring, making it boil, adding a little bit of water. When it gets thicker, just keep stirring till you see this oil on top. When you see this oil on top, it means it's ready to be used for the soup. Then we're gonna put our vegetables on it. The vegetables on fire just to boil it a bit. Then we can blend it and put it in the soup later on. So yeah, this is still our chicken. It's not meat, it's chicken. It's chicken meat. Anyways, this is our chicken steaming, and we're gonna just add tomato paste and then stir it up. As it's boiling, after adding the tomato paste, you let it boil for a while. Then we go ahead with our blended mixture. Then we make it boil for a while. After a couple of minutes, we add our onion and pepper blend. Then we give it a quick stir and we leave it on the fire to boil, to do its thing. So as you can see, it's boiling. It's starting to boil up, or it's boiling. After a couple of minutes, you give it a quick stir again. As you can see, the soup is, it's starting to soup. So this part we add the peanut butter mix we did earlier on, the groundnut. We will call it groundnut, but the peanut butter mixture we did earlier on the fire. We put a little bit of water in it, and then we pour it in the soup. That is what will give you the peanut butter taste or flavor. So give it a quick stir, put the lid on, and let the soup do its thing. So the soup will boil for a couple of minutes. You see the oily thing pops up on top again. That means you're doing the right thing. So this is where we go in with our tilapia, because fish doesn't take long to cook, so we can't put it in from the start. So it has been marinating in the bowl for some time now, so it's time for the fish to go into the soup. After the fish goes in, as usual, quick stir. And this is where we put in a few spices, that's Maggi, and then salt to taste. Anyway, we added salmon. We added salmon to the soup. So salmon, tilapia, and then chicken. So as you can see, the soup is all coming together. The soup is souping. And at this point, I think it's so we go back to peeling the cassava and the plantain, and then that's hot water you're putting around it so that it wouldn't keep long now trying to heat up. It would just go straight to boiling. So we went the local way. We pounded, no machine stuff. We pounded and it looked good. Yeah, it looked good. And yeah, this is me receiving my bowl of fufu and chicken and tilapia and salmon. Yes. Anyways, I like soup, so I normally want the soup to overshadow the fufu or to cover the fufu totally. I admire the soup because it's hot.
The soup is given.
Fufu given, soup given. I mean, you can't go bad with Agazenkwan.
See, I'm not a fan of groundnut soup myself with fufu, but I think this one, like, you're saying chilling camphor, no, but actually we did a good job.
Yeah. Which hand make I use? Yeah. But why they saying chilling camphor no?
That's what they say, chilling camphor no.
One camphor no. Some of your opinion for Mokasa doesn't make sense. I guess your opinion are not sure. In so many answers, you diary, I mean, diary.
Hey, I could go once. Please, I wasn't here.